That's good, I like that. This makes my talks feel happier. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself to start off with. I'm Tom Coates. I'm head of product at a part of Yahoo called Brickhouse. Brickhouse is, in a nutshell, a startup-like environment inside a very large, terrifying organization. And it's as much a part of the startup scene as we can make it. And what we're there to do is to look around for new territories, new ideas, both internally and externally, that point towards the future of the internet and to try and build them. It's a pretty good environment. We assemble teams, we package them up, and then we build these things. Obviously, any environment like Brickhouse is going to be concerned with design. And as a designer of sorts, that's obviously my main area as well. But it's a very particular kind of design. We're looking for kind of things in the world that haven't been built before. So it's kind of tricky to look at things and go, well, we'll take a lot of learning from there and we'll apply it here. We're trying to build brand new things that have not existed up until this point. And to do that, I think you need to have a sense of where the web is going, where the internet is moving, and how you're going to try and build for that environment. So, let me be more clear. I mean, I'm not for a minute saying that the internet of tomorrow is going to be so transformatively different from the internet of today that it will be unrecognizable. There's still going to be advertising sites, there's still going to be brochureware, there's still going to be editorial sites, that kind of stuff. But alongside this kind of stuff, there's this other form of website that we're emerging, which are struggling to, well, they're sort of achieving a certain amount of dominance in the world. And they're sites and services that take data. Data is their core, that's exciting. So we've got different kinds of propositions. Social networks like Facebook, Flickr, Twitter. We have geosites and services like OpenStreetMap, GeoNames, Google Earth. And we have sort of utilities like Delicious, upcoming Wikipedia, and Doppler. And these are the ones that, from my perspective, are pushing the web forward. They're the ones that are concentrating on information, on data, and on pushing that data forward. The thing that makes these things different to me is that they're more than just sites. In fact, the site often is only an interface onto the actual product. They're things that try and push and break the browser. They escape from the constraints of that little box you have on your desktop. Every single one of these sites has pushed itself elsewhere into desktop applications, physical devices, or onto other people's sites and services. And every single one of these sites has become a platform upon which every other site on the internet can build and thrive and develop. And these sites have benefited as a result. They've had more impact as a result, they've created more fun and more value for their users as a result, and to be crass, they have made more money as a result. So, this is where the future's at.